Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video on Oracle Apex installation, and today we're going to cover installation of 23.1 in PDB. So let's proceed. Right, I have downloaded software. Let me show you in my drive, and it is here. I have downloaded Apex 23.1 and ORDS 23.1. Always try to install same version of the ORDS as well. So if it is higher, then it might create problem. So mine is 23.1, 23.1, right? So if you see here, this is my Apex 23.1. So let me go inside this. I have Apex folder. So this folder I need to take to the home folder of Oracle, right? So first let me see if it is already there. Let me rename that. This is my Oracle home and this is my Apex, right? So here I'm saying old, this I don't need it at the moment. And again I will go to software and Apex, right? So since it is there inside subfolder Apex, so I will copy this one, copy. I will keep the main file, and now let me go to the home folder, and here I will paste, right? And after meanwhile it is copying, let me go to the folder. I will copy the path from here. Wait a moment, it will take few seconds. 120 MB item remaining. Let me show you the size of it just for information. It's quite huge now, right? This is Apex, and now I will move to Apex and I will copy this path, and let me go in my command prompt cd, right? Okay, now my Oracle Apex is here, but normally this size is due to images. You will see the images folder, it will be a huge. And now since I have Oracle 19c installed, which we covered in the last video, you can go through that video if you want to do that. So I have written down these commands which I will be using in this installation under my portal. You can open just ERPstuff.com, right? This one, and scroll down. There are different forums. You will be coming in Oracle Technical Database, because normally it is installed by database administrators. So this is multi-tenant architecture details, video and all those things. You can check this topic, and then I will be using this one. And if you see here, I have captured few PDB files, PDB commands as well. So first I need to connect to the database, right? So SQL plus slash sysdba, right? So I'm connected to 19c. Now keep in mind that 12c, if I'm not wrong, version 1, Apex was by default installed in CDB. If it is already there in the CDB, then you will not be able to install the PDB. First you will have to remove or uninstall that one, right, from the CDB. So once it is uninstalled, then you can install in the PDB. So this error was always there, so people were struggling over there. But I believe from 12c or 19c, they have removed the installation at least. In the folder path, in the path of or in the Oracle home, Apex folder is there, but by default it is not installed. So let's verify first it is installed or not installed. So if you see here, I have given this first step. So first let me check if Apex is installed. No, right? So we are good to go, right? This is 19c, it is not installed by default, so keep in mind. Now first let us see our PDBs. If you see here, we have PDBs. So if your database is not open, it is in mounted. I had mounted it. So then you will have to use open command to open the this one, right? Pluggable database PDB open. And if you want to always keep it open on the restart as well, then you have to apply this command, save state, right? It is up to you. Just you have to change your PDB name. These two commands are there. Okay, since it is mounted already, now I have to go to this PDB in order to install in this PDB, because I don't want to install in the CDB as a shared Apex installation, right? I need separate in each PDB. So I will be moving to or I will be switching to the container. If you see here, will take this command. Sorry, I don't know why it is copying from here. Right, let me copy with this. Okay, my PDB name is PDB01. Okay, now I have switched. Now let's install ORDS 23.1 on Oracle Database 19c in a PDB. In this PDB, since we have already installed Oracle Apex 23.1, so now we are going to install ORDS as well. So let's proceed. Okay. Now first let us open our commands topic where we have all the commands. So we don't need to write or remember things. So you can just open ERPstuff.com portal, and then you can come down under Oracle Technical in the database. And if you see here, the second one is CDB installation, PDB Apex installation, ORD installation commands, right? And let me move it on the right side. Okay. And this all PDB, CDB commands are there. Then we installed Oracle Apex, and this is TNS for connecting to the PDB, right? Just I placed it over here. If you want, you can just copy paste from here, or you can manually create using Net Configuration Assistant. And this is, if you see here, this is for PDB1, and then you will have for PDB2. That's it. Okay. Now let me show you my okay. So this is DNS. It is in my home network admin folder. Let me open it as well. The same I copied over there. Okay, so here I have downloaded my ORDS where I had placed Apex as well. So this is my ORDS 23.1. So what I will do, I will just copy this folder and let me place somewhere. I can place anywhere, but I'm just keeping it over here since my Oracle Home is also there. So this will be a secured folder. I just want to do like this. So ORDS, and then I need to add one folder in this, which will be config, right? And one way is I should be giving full path up to this bin, else I can just add this into the path. Let me add to the path environment variables. Okay, this, and here I have this path, so let me edit it. I will add this, right? So now when I will click enter ORDS, it will be accessible, right? Good. So because to run I need this path, else I have added into the path as well. Okay, now let me go back. ORDS and config. This path I needed. So let us try now. And all these commands will be there on this right side article. This one. Okay. I'm here now because I have installed Oracle Apex 23.1. Now we are installing this one. So first I need to check my Java version. It should be minimum 11. Java minus version. Right, so it is 11. Okay, fair enough. Else I need to download the latest Java version and install it. Less than 11 it will not work. Okay, now my next will be, since I have installed Oracle Apex, and I need to change the admin password because I need it now when I will be running for the ORDS setup, right? So for changing the password, apxchpwd, and this is not only for this purpose. Whenever you need to change the password of admin, you can use this script on the server, right? So let me copy this script, and now I need to first go to the Apex folder, right? It is in D, CD, Oracle directory and cddb, because it is there in my Apex folder, right? CD Apex. Now let me try here, right? It is there, right? This is the latest version which I had copied over here. Now from here I will be doing SQL plus. Now one way is I should connect to the CDB sys and then switch the container. Otherwise I can directly connect with this database. So I will be connecting direct sys @ PDB01 as sysdba. Even I can enter password over here as well. Let's see, let me add. I think I have this Oracle 123, right? So this is my password, this is my login, and let's see. I'm connected to my PDB. So if I write PDBs, I'm connected, right? Okay, now here I need to change the password, right? I will be using this with @, right? So this is to change the admin password, right? So first it says what is the name of the admin user. It is admin, enter. I'm not changing anything here. Admin email, so I can just write info@ERPstuff.com, enter. Now admin password, so I will keep the same, Oracle _123, right? And it says done. Let me type commit. I think it should be done, but just to be safe side. Now this is done, right? Now my next is let me minimize this as well. To go with this is REST config. It will create users, Apex listener and those users. So let us first, because this is from this Apex, right? .sql. Okay, now it says enter a password for the, I will keep the same password for this installation, right? So, and this is for a public, right? What it says, create listener, and this user created, grant this, everything is done, right? And now my users are created, my installation is ready. Now what I will do, I will be starting the installation for Oracle Apex, for Oracle or ORDS. Right now let me place like this, and now I don't need this. I will be moving out, right? CD ORDS. Now if I see directory, I have the config over here. Where was that? I had created, yeah, it is there, ORDS. So this is, no, sorry, I think this is its own ORDS, which is there with the database. So I will come down, CD ORDS directory, right? That's it. So here I have the config, okay, and now let me, so this is for installation of ORDS, right, like this. So let's copy this and we'll place it over here, and now I need to change this path, right, this one, which will be, let me copy from here, config, up to config, right, copy, and that's it. So what it says, ORDS minus config and the path of the config folder and install, right? And otherwise, if you are not having this ORDS in the path, you will have to type the full path up to bin folder. So let's try if it will work, otherwise we will enter, right? So it was picked, right? Now it says, now we will do manually things one by one. Let me focus on this because we need to understand all these parameters. Enter number to select the type of installation, right? So install or upgrade ORDS in the database only. Create or update a database pool and install or upgrade ORDS in the database. Create and update a database pool only. So it's create or update a database pool and install upgrade ORDS in the database, right? So let's say we'll, by default it is 2, let me go with the 2. Enter a number to select the database connection, right? So first one is basic, host name, port, this, that. Second one is TNS, so I will go with TNS because I've already configured the TNS, right? 2, and enter the TNS location, right? So my TNS location is this network admin, all right? This is my location, right? It has fetched. Now enter the TNS location, enter the number to it. So my number is PDB1, so it is 1, right? Provide database username. So my username is sys, right? And enter the database password, which is again Oracle. Okay, now retrieving information. Enter the default table space for ORDS metadata. I will go with Apex because I have separate database, right? Table space. And enter the temporary table space for this. It is default, and now it says enter the default table space. No, this is done, sorry. Enter number to select additional features to enable, right? Database actions, enable all features. So we will go with 1. We need all, right? And enter a number to configure and start ORDS in standalone mode, right? Enter a number to configure and start, right? Yes, we will be going with the standalone mode, right? 1. And enter a number to select the protocol. It will be HTTP. We don't have at the moment configuration of HTTPS, and port 8080 is fair enough, or I can change, right? Okay, enter the Apex static resource location. Now this is the images folder. So I will be going here and let me find Apex folder and then images, right? So it says map local pool from this database, ORDS default valid, and it says Oracle database this initialized and Java info, right? So let us check now, right? Localhost / ORDS. All right. Good. Now what happened, it says, because normally many users are getting this error. So we will follow all the errors or whatever challenges we are going to face. If you see here, it is also there is an error, the account is locked, right? What happens when you install it and do the setups, these accounts of Apex, listener and those get locked, right? So now we need to unlock those accounts, right? So I have added how to find the locked users over here, and also how we can change it, right? Even you can change the password as well, right? Account unlock, right? So let us open one more session of the command prompt, and now we will log in, right? SQL plus, if it is already there, no, SQL plus sys Oracle. This is my password, PDB01 as sysdba, right? So I am connected. So let me take this command. You can further filter it out only to see and the username only Apex. It is up to you, right? But I will see which are locked, right? So in this, if you see here, we have, this is fine. You need to open this. This is locked, right? This is our account, and if you see here, there is no other, but let me only filter, sorry, like this, and username like Apex, right? Okay, also only Apex. So in this there are two, so we need to unlock this one, right? This one, Apex public user. So what I will do, I will take this command, alter this one. Let me take this, copy, no, it is not copy, copy, and here what I need, user, I need this one, right? So let me copy, okay, and now it has not copied, sorry, copy, right? Identified by account unlock. I don't need password. Let's try with this, right? Unlock. Okay, user altered, and let me now see. I think I need to give copy the command because it is multi-line. So now this user should not be here. Okay, it is not there. Okay, let's try now. Localhost ORDS. Wow. So our Oracle Apex is working fine on our local machine with ORDS 23.1. Now you can use it. You can create your own workspace, which we'll take in separate videos. So thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.